Did you know that CO2 can be converted into valuable products? And no, that doesn't require a magic wand. But you do need a catalyst, an active, efficient, and a reliable catalyst. Now, to rationally design a good catalyst, we need a fundamental understanding of the catalyst dynamics, meaning the knowledge of its chemical and physical properties during the reaction conditions. And that's because catalysts are metastable materials that adapt dynamically under specific reaction conditions. And this can vary at the local scale. So, how do we keep track of these changes? Well, hi, I'm Dimma from EMAT, and I work with Transmission Electron Microscopes, TEM for short, to characterize the material's morphology, structure, and chemical properties at the nanoscale, with a subatomic spatial resolution and relatively high temporal resolution. Now, you might ask, how can we study a catalyst at the atomic resolution in real reaction environment if the microscope operates at high vacuum? Well, the recent technological advances have allowed for direct observation of a catalyst under realistic environmental conditions using dedicated in-situ TEM holders that houses a nano-reactor inside the electron microscope vacuum column. And this allows for studying dynamic processes like catalytic reaction in both liquid and gas environment while applying a pressure of 1 bar and applying stimulus of heating or biasing. The spatially resolved in situ or operando TEM measurements that are complemented by additional analytical techniques allow us to first correlate the working structure of the catalyst with the catalytic properties associated with it, and second, explain the catalyst's performance by following the catalyst evolution in real time using the electron microscope for both electrochemical catalysis in liquid media and heterogeneous catalysis in gaseous media. And because seeing is believing, with us being the eyes of Catchy, we can achieve a better understanding of the catalytic process that help us develop more efficient and durable catalysts that contribute to a more sustainable future.